So traders, right now, we're gonna go over, right? We're gonna go over what will be happening on the Forex market today, whether we're buying or selling in the market. We call this the Espresso webinar, and in the Espresso webinar, we explain to you guys whether dollars or dollar we're buying or selling, and that will reflect all the other markets like Nasdaq, US 30, gold, Euro USD, GBUSD, and other markets like USD, JPY, and more. Right? Then I'll ask you guys of what do you want me to go over. I'll go over it. But I'll go over the main markets, and if I miss any market, I'll give you guys an opportunity to ask me to go over the market, right? A certain market. So we're gonna first go over the dollar, which is always our rule as a trader when we do morning analysis to go over the dollar. Please write it down. The first thing to do is always go over the dollar. If you don't know that, now you know that, okay? So the first step is to go over the dollar to understand is the dollar buying or selling. Now again, yesterday we said dollar is what? What did we say yesterday? If dollar is selling, Nasdaq is buying. Did we agree? We agreed upon that, right? Yesterday. We said that dollar is selling on the lower time frame, but on the high time frame, as you can see right now, on a high time frame, right, it's still selling. So major time frame for Nasdaq, it's still buying. So we're not close to this trend line yet, which is AOI, our area of interest right now. So you can see right now we still have this downtrend, right? A major downtrend on the 4 hour for the dollar, which means that dollar is still strongly bearish, means there's a lot of sellers still in the market. The only time we're looking for this market to change direction is like really massively is once we break out of the structure right here, and then we can consider this now to continue in an uptrend. Now, for some foresight for you guys, right? I want to show you guys something. I just want to show you guys something. This is actually a, we call it descending channel. Okay, descending channels very equal to each other, but I don't go to there. That's not the lesson for today. Lesson today, that's not the lesson. Today we're going to talk crypto. After this, we're going to start talking crypto with you guys. Okay, so if you're into crypto, I'm explaining to you guys how I know what crypto to buy is on. So everyone who wants to know what crypto, wait till the end. So now, anyway, I drop down to low time from like the 15-minute traders because in the 15-minute, I can get to understand, are we buying or selling? Now, yesterday, that's the same thing I did. Down, and you can see that it eventually just continue going down. Boom, 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 and continue going down. It just continue going down. So the trend of the day was right. Was it right? Yes, it continued going down. Our direction for the day was correct. Meaning, when I said, okay, in the morning, dollars will continue selling, we were perfect. We're done. We're 100% correct. Because I said, okay, dollar is down. That means we're going to continue selling. Now, same thing we did yesterday. We're going to do it for the day. All right. If you can't spot it out yet, I'm going to show you guys how to. Let's do it. What's the day today? 19th, right? Where did 19th start? Around somewhere around here. Okay. So let's start. Yep. That's the low, high, low, high. Okay. Let's move it away. What trend is this? What's the trend here? Must I open the chat for you guys? Let's see. I'll open the chat for you guys, okay? I'll open the chat for you guys. What trend is this, guys? We going up. 100%. That's correct. We going up. It's bullish, right? Perfect. Well done, traders. I'm closing the chat right now. It is bullish. Okay, traders, it is bullish. But now, come, I'll teach you something. I'll teach you something quick. To know whether it's going to stay bullish, let me show you something. That there, all right, on top there, we'll label that as this will be labeled as a higher high, right? Like that over there, right? We can just put it like this, like that. Okay. You see how clean is this? I like to have a clean chart. I don't know if you guys notice. Shakil's chart is always as clean as possible. Like the reason to that is the lesson chart, you can think straight. You remember we trade in price action. So we don't need to have a lot of things on the chart. We trade in price action. Make sense? So price action is that what we use. Now at the bottom, what is at the bottom? Here. If that's a high, this must be a high low, right? So write that down. and bottom, and the bottom right here as well. Okay, this is a lower low. Okay, that's a lower low. So write that in. Here we go. So I have a lower low. Why? How do I know it's a lower low? Shaquille. You can see exactly here it was lower. Like here we got lower, 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 low, and it starts creating a high low. Okay. Let me just. Sorry about this, traders. I need to just do my deed. Otherwise you see some real take profits running down here. Otherwise you see some real take profits running down here. So here we go. Lower low, high high, high low, high high. Watch out here. So is this important? Yes or no? What do you think? Yes, it is. Why is it important, Shakil? Oh, we just coming now to the previous high low. So if the market breaks this high low, there is no more uptrend. If we break this high low right here, then this is a downtrend. So our trend right now can decide whether it's respected and continue going higher. So at this current point in time right now, which is not New York time, it's London session. We need to watch this market, not close like this. Because we're not trading now. We trade only New York session time, which means we trade Nasdaq in New York session. Don't trade if I'm gonna hear someone trade Nasdaq in London. Oh, I know you are Tata my chance. You can't hold yourself. You're not disciplined. I know you. I know you. See what comes up here. See here. Tata my chance. The SABC, there was all the time SABC had that Tata my. Never mind. I don't even know there's an ad once over the time with SABC. Tata, never mind. Listen, the case is that, look, if I'm gonna hear you guys trade Nasdaq, US30 in London session, we're gonna have a problem, right? Because now you shouldn't be trading USD pairs in the London session. We trade pound pairs in London session. So let's move on. Right now, that's all you have. That's all you have. There's nothing to decide it. So for now, dollar's still buying. I'm not saying where. I didn't say where. I didn't say where. I just said dollar for the day. If it stays like this, it's gonna continue buying. If dollar's gonna break below here, we're gonna see continue selling down. That's it. Okay. So for now, we just say okay, it's up still. It's still bullish. Let's move on. Okay, for the day. But if it breaks below this, which is very close, that's why it's very crucial, then we down. We're starting to go in downtrend. Okay. So let me show you guys now on the other market. Nasdaq. Okay. Let's do Nasdaq. For the day, if dollars down, if dollars up, what is Nasdaq? Down. You see? You see how important is this? They need to correlate with each other. You understand? If Nasdaq and dollars both going up, then you know there's something wrong. It makes sense because one needs to beat the other in a nutshell. You can't have dollar going up, US30 going up, or dollar going up, Euro USD, right? Also going up. It's insane. You cannot do that. It can't be like it doesn't work that way, traders. Okay. So right now, what's the trend? Automatically now I know the dollar's down. Nasdaq is dollar's up, Nasdaq is down. Automatically. That's how easy it is. But it's just okay, Shaquille, where do I draw my trend lines now? Do you understand? So because now it's like the first thing is like, okay, dollar, I know the direction, I know Nasdaq, I know. But now it's like when you come to Nasdaq, you're not gonna wonder is the trend like bullish or bearish? You already know because you did dollar. So when you come in here, if it doesn't line up, then you know stay out the market. You understand? So now just glance, it's like dollars up. I look at Nasdaq now. Oh, it's down. Oh, okay, it makes sense. But if I'm gonna see dollars up, Nasdaq is also going up, then I'm like, oh shit, stay out the market. You understand? It's uncertainty. You need to have that self-discipline in yourself to say, okay, no, it's not the market condition for me to trade, because they need to make sense. Otherwise, you're going to see one is going to be messed up and you say, I should have just stayed out. It wasn't making sense. Well, you had an opportunity in the beginning not to take a trade. So right now, the trend, let me do the trend. Let me show you guys. So today's the 19th, right? You always look for the date at the bottom. The 19th, the 19th, 19th. There we go, the 19th. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. So we have the 19th. It starts around here. Yeah, this is boom, 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 and boom. So we see like this can happen. See what I mean? Okay, let me take this away. I'll show you again for you guys, step by step. Dum, dum, bum, bum, dum. And then you see here we are now. So let me take it away. What train are we in? Down. You see how nice it is, how easy it is now. You already like no dollar, you already know Nasdaq. So now you're like, okay, Shaquille, you're still so stressed about, are we buying or selling? I told you guys in the beginning, right? On the other webinars, if you didn't watch it, go watch it all. I posted it all on YouTube, guys. I posted all my stuff on YouTube for you guys. So you guys have access for lifetime, right? I told you guys, when we're down, we're only looking for sell. When it's up, we're only looking for buy. So for today, what do you think I'm looking for? Down, sell. You see? But I didn't say where yet. I just said Nasdaq is selling today. Now I already can have the confidence. I know my direction. You see the key point. A lot of traders, how many of you guys feel confused, right? Let me know from you guys. How many of you guys actually feel confused on whether you should buy or sell? Like there's times in the day, like I know. Let me know in the chat box. Do you guys ever feel like whether you should buy or sell? Let me know in the chat box. Do you ever feel that way? If you guys ever felt that way, I know I used to feel like that. I didn't know whether I should buy or sell. Like ever felt that way, like you're not sure whether you should buy or sell? Let me know in the chat box. I have no idea. Yeah. So you see, you're not the only person that feels that way. Look there, a lot of people feels the same. And it's nothing wrong with feeling like that way. Remember, I also felt like that. There's times I still feel like that. You know what I mean? Thank you, Tristan. I hope you're not playing the game again. So I let Tristan back in. But exactly. So you're not the only person that's feeling that way, traders. You understand? You understand? There's a lot of people out here, right, that feels the same way. But now I'm giving you guys the scope, right? I'm giving you guys the scope how to understand if you're buying or selling for the day. Don't get it so screwed. Don't mess it up between where to buy and where to sell. I didn't say where to buy and where to sell. I didn't teach you that. Now be like, but yeah, you're buying, you said, but we were buying. You see how you jump in the gun. I didn't say that yet. You understand? I'm telling you how to identify whether you're buying or selling for the day. You understand? So let's move further now. Let's move forward. Let's move on. Now you guys have the answer for yourself. Well, how to understand whether you're buying or selling. So every morning you come to the chart, you're gonna do what Shaquille taught you right now. Dollar, right? You look at the dollar, understand how you're buying or selling. Then you're ready. If you're buying on dollar, you're like, okay, Nasdaq selling. If Nasdaq is not correlating with the dollar, you stay out, papa. You wait until the market makes sense. Until the market makes sense, right? Now let's go further. Now, Shaquille, where do you draw your trend line? Ava boy, relax, kulega mfethu. Yo, you like jumpy, jumpy. I'm trying to always think what you guys think in your mind. Like, okay, wait, because when I sit the traders and they always ask me, so, bruh, you say we gonna sell now? Huh? Entry, bruh. You're like share entry there. What's the entry, bro? Stop, let's take profit, bro. All they want to know is like a single person, like their mind's like a single head. Stop, let's take profit. Wait. Can you enter, bro? Where's the entry? Price. It's not there. Listen, here we go. Watch me. I'm gonna give you guys a tip. When we're in a downtrend, I'm gonna show you guys something. Listen and focus. I'm not gonna go over this again. I'm not going over this again. When we're in a downtrend, cover, line chart, settings, highs. Watch me. Now, trend line. Focus. Focus. Okay. Focus. Put back. Mm. See how easy was that? Yeah, that's how easy it is. Understand? So there we have a trend line. Now it's sorted. You have trend lines now. You understand? There's your trends for the day. We have a massive trend from up, which is big bullish, big bearish, and we have an inner bearish as well. So now I know, okay, potentially here. If it doesn't want to go here, it's gonna be on this one, the next one. You see? You see, it's not that hard, traders. It's not that hard. Stop overcomplicating things. Like Shaquille, but you said, what if I take a sell and my stop loss eats me out? Okay, now you jump in the gun again. I didn't say when we're gonna enter. I just said if it comes here, I'll be entering here. I didn't say yet when. I didn't say what confirms my entry. You see? Just relax. Just relax. So let me screenshot this for you guys, right? I screenshot it, I'll send it out to you guys as well. Send it out to you guys as well, right? And then what I do is now, here we go. Here's how we're gonna enter. Remember I said yesterday, we need to, right? When it comes here, it breaks it on a lower time frame. Then we reach this, and then we can get in like this. Remember I said that yesterday? I explained this yesterday. Now on a lower time frame, will be like a 15-minute. You see there, it should be something like that. And then we draw the trend line like this. And on the lower time frame, we can enter there, lower. If it doesn't break and it continues, let's say it continues going up, like let's say it doesn't do this, but on this trend here, which is already it's starting now, so on this trend we continue going up like this, then I won't sell there. Like let's say it goes, it just continues, right? I won't take buys also here. Don't. Some people are greedy for money. Don't take a buy here. Okay, it's not the direction. Stick to the direction, right? That's it. Once the market breaks out here down, you get in for the sell. You see? There, that's your entry. Here. There. Okay, guys? So now the thing is, okay, now like Shakil, but what if the market continue going out? Don't stress. Then it means the trend has changed. Then you're gonna look for entry here. This is where I will look for buys only. From here, when it breaks up, then I'll look for buys. I'll look for buys around there. Okay? There's not don't overcomplicate this game, guys. I promise you, don't overcomplicate it. Not a game now, someone really thinks it's a game. There we go. Nasdaq done. Does anyone understand Nasdaq? Let me know if you guys have any questions on Nasdaq. I'm gonna open up a chat box now again for you guys. If you have any question on Nasdaq, drop that question or raise your hand and I'll take you guys. If you raise your hand, I'll unmute you and you can then ask the question. Yeah, you can ask any questions on Nasdaq or the dollar. Yeah, no questions. What is Nasdaq's trading time? Nasdaq's trading time is from 27 minutes past 3, right? We start trading it, right? Till about, so you can trade till about, it's about 9 o'clock the evening. Yeah, 9 p.m. South Africa. This is also South African time, right? Yeah. USA. What about USA? Question. Any questions? I think there's no questions now, traders. Any questions? Use time. I mean, US time. I mean, what about US time? What about US time? Oh, US time. It's also South African time, bro. You need to go do your own research. I'm not gonna be your babysitter. You need to do your own research, eh? I already give you my time, so you can go out and take South African time. Get to know South Africa. Zoom user. Love South Africa. If you're from USA, love South Africa. You're gonna say Viva South Africa. That's what you need to say. You need to say I love South Africa. Viva South Africa. You must say that, okay? So just know South Africa is a very good country, man. Very big country, right? Guys, we all can vote that. Can we all agree? South Africa, say, tell the people. South Africa is a beautiful country. Can we say that, guys? Right? Uh, do you think the dollars will gain strength this week, bro? Love Africa, brother. My wife is from Africa. Now you're stealing my woman. Now you're stealing my woman. That's why we don't have enough woman. Huh? Because he's still in a woman. Just playing, man. Just joking. No, but just search South Africa time to to American time. Or, your time zone. Then you will get it exactly. Do you think the dollar will gain strength this week, bro? I'm not entirely sure. We have to see as the week goes, bro. Honestly, I'm not like gonna forecast the week. I don't know. I really don't know, bro. I just go. Remember, I'm a day trader. I'm not a swing trader. Um, yeah. Kawita, if you want me to repeat something, I'm not gonna repeat it. You need to rewatch the video. Yeah. Unfortunately, you're gonna have to rewatch the video. Yeah. Do you think a short buy can be confirmed on Nasdaq? No, I just said you don't like to listen, Xi. Alberto, you don't like to listen. Alberto, you don't like to listen. Alberto, I told you that we stick to the trend. Alberto, I told you that we don't confirm no buys. We only stick to sells. Alberto, I told you, bro. Right? Okay. Let's move on, right? Because people, it's okay, man. No stress, no stress. You must stick to the direction. I told you, direction, direction, direction. You don't no buying. We don't buy in. I told you guys, this is a rule. It's a rule, guys. The rule. There we go. All right. So there's your train of the day. We're happy. Move on. Next one. Let's do another one for you guys. Right. We have about 8 9 minutes on the session right now, traders. And I'm gonna do another one for you guys. US 30. Okay, what's the trend for US 30? Down. Okay, it's down, traders. Once again, it's down. Boom. It's down, right? If you can't see it, let me show it to you. Oh my gosh, it is down, bro. For the day, it's down. Understand? Put it back. Oh my gosh, Akil. That was so easy. Okay, and for the day, current day only, there we go. The current day, like current day will be like that. That's the current day. So the current day will be that. Yeah, there we go. So we're only looking for something like that. Anytime the mark comes up, I'll appreciate it. Yeah, great stuff. Something like that. We're basically looking for anything downwards. We appreciate it. We're looking for sell. On the other end, let's see. We have a few other markets. Like let's check gold out for the day as well. Gold. Yes, that's correct. Ooh, ooh. What's happening here now? Okay, still that same thing though. Let's look at this one. Day is down. You're gonna continue looking for cells. Continue looking for cells on gold. There we go. Let's continue looking for cells on gold. Next one. See, now once you understand one, you understand everything. USD, because this, I'll show you guys USD as well. The USD is a bit off because you can see it's a little winky winky, and that's when you now this is what I was telling you guys. There is a trainer, it's like that, and then it moved off to like this now. You understand? So you need to like still trying to make its clear direction, but you can see it's still down. You understand? It's still down, which lines up. We're gonna hold this. We know, okay, New York time is gonna continue going down. We need to just get to the entries, which I have no entry at this current point. But now I'm gonna do something for you guys, GBP, JP1. Okay, I'm gonna do something for the London session and stuff for you guys, for my London traders. Look there. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this one. Look at this one now. Look at this one. Through the moon. You can't you can't withdraw any. This is all you can draw. You can't withdraw much on this thing. Through the moon. I don't trade this market because I don't like this market much. So here you go. For anyone who wants that, I don't trade it. I don't want to look at it. It makes me feel okay. And then we have GBUSD, which is a beautiful pair for you guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful pair, traders. If you want to know a good pair to trade, right? A good pair with this one. This is a good pair. Then we have the breakover trend. Nice. This is beautiful. Oh my. This one is beautiful, traders. Yeah, this is very beautiful. We have a break of a trend line. So this will be, something like coming down. That's beautiful. Now, let's talk crypto. Before we go any further, that's my analysis, guys. That's my main analysis, which is going to be Nasdaq mainly. Okay, mainly. I will give you guys more heads up on in the if we get. I'll drop another message for the live trading. If you want to do the live trading, this afternoon, which is for free as well. It will probably be one of the. I don't want to do any more live trading for free anymore. I'm not going to do it anymore for free. So it will probably be one of the last few free ones. That it will cost like I'm going to charge you like 0.50 cents. 0.50 cents. 0.50 cents for my live trading. Yeah, my live trading will be the cost will be soon 0.50 cents. Not the rands, dollars. 0.50 cents. Right. So let me go over the pound. I will do that very soon. Trades, you're going to see the announcement very soon. So while it's still free, enjoy it. Enjoy it. Even my webinars right now. These are all good stuff. I'm giving you guys some good stuff, like really good stuff. Can I show you guys something? The time I spoke about this, it was like this. Yeah? But people don't like to listen. I know people don't like to listen. Come on, show you guys something. I'm going to show you guys something, okay? Let me show you something. I'm going to show you when this call was made. But people don't like to listen. Have a look here. Have a look at this beautiful. If you go to this place here, right? Have a look at it. This place, have a beautiful look at this YouTube, okay? 6 months ago, can you look at a video? Bitcoin is going higher. Look at it. Go have a look at this video. 6 months ago, I was sitting in my pajamas. Beautiful pajama. Nice. Look at that. Bitcoin. A beautiful video for you guys about in my pajamas. Okay. I loved it. And no one likes to listen. You see that there? This is Bitcoin. I explained to you guys. There's the analysis. I gave it 8 months ago, 6 months ago. Yeah, I'm gonna play it for you guys. There we go. You see? The exact same area where it said, look where it is. I said buy from there. I was saying that's where dollar is gonna start buying and we'll start investing. I should put it loud for you guys.
You can't hear.
Laugh at me now. People laughed at me. We're back in the same zone, guys. Remember, it took a couple of months for this thing to before you start shooting all the higher. But I'm telling you right now, and say I'm marking my words. I'm telling you, I am going to.
From there, I am going to buy, right? I said, I am going to continue investing my money there. I told you guys, I might be a next crypto billionaire. Let me show you guys something. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, Shaquille, wait. Just watch. Shaquille, were you real? How did you know that? Oh, look. Watch. Just watch this. Shaquille, how did you know that? How? How did you know? Look where crypto is. How did you know that? I told you guys. I told you. You didn't want to listen. I told you guys. Yeah, you guys don't like to listen. The thing is, you guys don't like to listen. You see, go watch my video 6 months ago. And look where it is now. I told you guys, put your money where it is. Once again, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys still get involved. Okay, this is 1 minute on here. If you guys are interested in knowing where crypto will be, or I'll send in a new link out to you guys in the group. This is only for crypto. So if you want to join the new one for only crypto, join the next video. I'm gonna send a link in the group right now. Cheers once again, traders. Thank you for joining the espresso. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.